Hello students, this is Maestro Sersea previewing lesson 1.3.3 with you. And in this lesson, we're going to work on your conversation and reading skills. We will work on dialogue 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so dialogue 7. So what do we do here? We read the dialogues below in English, then translate them and read them in your primary language. So first, I need you to read this. Dialogue 7. Linda, you look happy today. I am happy. I just heard I passed my physics exam. Congratulations, I'm glad somebody's happy. Why, what's the matter? Oh, I'm just worried. I guess I have to take a history exam next week. So, you read this in English and then you translate it in a different language. So you have all these different languages you can choose from. Then you read the next dialogue. Ordering a meal. Are you ready to order now, sir? Yes, I'll have tomato soup, roast beef, mashed potatoes, and peas. That's tomato soup, roast beef, mashed potatoes, and peas. How do you want the beef? Rare, medium, or well done? Well done, please. Anything to drink? Just water. I'll have coffee with my dessert. So first you read dialogue 8 in English and then you translate it. Okay? Then you go to dialogue 9 and you read dialogue 9 in English. How old are you? 9, but I'll be 10 on May 16th. I'm older than you. I'll be 10 on May 14th. Are you going to have a birthday party? Maybe. I'll have to ask my mother. So you read this in English and then you translate it. And finally, you watch this video and you read along with the video and you pronounce together with the video a minimum of 2 to 3 times. Okay? And after you finish, you go to the comment section and you let us know what you learned via the comment section below. Okay? So let's play this video a little bit.
Hello students, this is Maestro Elvis, and today we are going to do dialogue 7, 8, and 9.
Okay, so you would pronounce together with me in the video, and that will help you with your pronunciation. By the way, in this video, I read slowly so that you can pronounce clearly together with me, so you can read along with me. I also read a little faster so you can read at a faster pace as well. So this is lesson 1.3.3, and I hope you enjoyed it. These dialogues are real-life situations, and they help you in your day-to-day communication in English. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.